Hi everyone, it's me Kayla, and today I've got some slime, obviously. So, it's like, I name it the gooey slime. I've just been playing with it. And it's gonna be school time in a minute, so I need to hurry. And I called it like gooey slime, because like the goo slime, like gooey. Because it looks gooey, and it is gooey, like. But if you do it like dead fast, it'll end up like that. And I really love it. I love the texture. And yeah, and I've made a new song, so you guys are gonna hear it someday. So yeah, you guys are gonna hear it one day, and I hope you enjoy my new song that's coming up. It's not up yet. It's coming up maybe next week, or maybe earlier, or maybe later. I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, I just came to let you know that my new song's coming up. So yeah, bye everyone. Have a good day.